Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video we are going to learn Nutanix is going to give you the professional certification that for the multi-cloud infrastructure, and the certification charge is $199, but now this is free. So we'll go through the step-by-step process to getting this certification. So here 100% free fast track your Nutanix certification, limited time offer is there, and ready to accelerate your IT career with Nutanix. So we'll break down the special limited time promotion for the Nutanix is they help the virtualization professional fast track their Nutanix certification professional and multi-cloud infrastructure NCP-MCI certification. So whether you are the VMware Certified Professional or you have the virtualization experience, Nutanix is giving the two way to earn your certification faster and the much less you can get it this one. So there is a learn what you will learn with this video. I am giving this one. So overview of the limited time Nutanix certification offer and instructor lead fast track option and self-placed online track differences between the two certification path, and this one the important dates how to enroll and who this promotion is deal with for. So IT professional with the virtualization experience. So this is the important promotion info is there. The enrollment window from the 10th of December to April 30th, 2026. Complete course and schedule exam by the June 30th, 2026. Exam cost cover it if you complete the self-placed track. So this is the URL. I will provide the URL with the description. So I'm going to open this URL. So all the details you will get there. So special limited time promotion, fast track the Nutanix certification, and there is a two path are there. Option one, instructor lead. So they you have to provide you have to give the dollar of 500. So in option two, self-placed track, we will go through this one. Here the for this one the $0 and total value is 1094. So enrollment option is there. You can view and plan the enrollment on the online track. So click on this. So this is the detail of this. So virtualization professional program, and when your learning path content will be this like this, so you have to complete all the path, then in finally you will get the Nutanix certified professional infrastructure NCP MCI 6.10. So you'll get this coupon. So before enrollment you have to log in. So click on the login. So go to SSO single sign on, and best thing is that I'll give you how to register on this. Okay, I'm already registered. Okay, let me open this one in another browser. So click on login. So we don't have account, just assume that. So go to the sign up and give all the details: first name, company name, job title, phone number, and email address. Instead of email address, if you are giving your email address, any Gmail address, and you submit, so you will use a company email address to sign up. Personalized domain address are not allowed. So you have to provide your company email address. If you don't have your company email address, then you can use your Zoho email address. Just now I have used my Zoho email address. I'll show you. So Zoho mail. Okay. Okay, we are not getting error. So you can use the Zoho email address. When you will use your Zoho email address, you will get a mail like this. So hi and your name and your order details, other details, and there is a, will be the confirm email. So when you will click on the confirm email, so after that you will be logged in. This page you will get your details you will get and Zoho Mail account details and click on enroll. So there is a requirement of complete this one. There is a 5 modules, prerequisite sites are there. Then last you will get this one. So complete all the things and I'll show you the price of this one. So certification detail if you want to know. So Nutanix Professional Multi-Cloud Infrastructure NCP, and there is a total question is 75 multiple choice question, limited time is 120 minutes and language in English and Japanese, and there is a cost of the per attempt. So this attempt this will you will get an free and course or other details are there. So you can go through the step by step process for this. So here they are providing the 100% free Nutanix certification for the multi-cloud infrastructure. So disclaimer is there, all trademarks, logo and names belong to their respective owners. This video only for the made for educational and information purpose under the Fair Use Section 107 and Copyright Act 1976. You can follow me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel is there. And follow the process exactly shown in the video. Share this YouTube video with your friends and colleagues. Subscribe for the free tutorial learning content. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to Chirag tutorial. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.